Hello guys, Nepal Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we're gonna be taking a look at the SODI C50 wireless MagSafe charger for CarPlay. Okay, so SODI reached out to me to review this product for you, so thank you very much to them for sponsoring this video, but I actually believe that this can be really useful for many of you. So nowadays most cars have CarPlay, but if they don't, or if you have an old car which doesn't even have like a proper screen, this can be very good for your iPhone 12 or up to use the GPS, play some music, whatever. And yeah, the great thing about this is that it's really compatible with pretty much any car, because all you need is one of these AC vents on the car, and then it will hold it at a comfortable position where it's not too distracting, so you barely have to keep your eyes off the road. And it will also charge your phone via MagSafe. Because of that, as you can see, it does not have any clamps or anything to hold onto your phone, so it will be compatible with iPhone 12 or up, or with any other phone with a MagSafe case or ring. So without further ado, we will unbox it and take a look at it on the car. So first of all, let's have a look at the box. As you can see, yeah, it says SODI here, it says fast charging, LED indicator. It does charge at the full 15 watts that MagSafe supports, so that's great. Then on the side we have some specifications, on the back pretty much nothing, and on this other side another drawing. So as you can see like this, I will show you later, but this here is a small hook, so you can plug it in even better, and it has double support, so it doesn't go anywhere. Then at the top we have this kind of schematic, which is nice, but yeah, now let's go ahead and unbox it. We first get this little foam thing for protection, and this is the thing. Okay, we will have a look at it later. Put it here. Then here we have, let's see, we have a USB-A to USB-C cable, which you can never have too many of these. Of course, this will be great as most cars have USB-A ports, at least so far. And if you have an older car, you can get one of these lighter port things that will go to USB-A, and you can plug it in there. Then in this little bag, what we get is, I'm guessing, oh yeah, this is the mount itself. Okay, so you twist this and the hook will extend, so that's how you adjust it later. And then here we have the MagSafe part itself. So this is a ball joint, which is very good. So it will go here. You have to loosen this up a little bit, place this there, and then tighten it. And then again, turning this, you can put it to the distance you need, then plug it in, and then close it so it's tight. Don't worry, we will go down to the car now and try it out, and I will show you in the car how it works and how to set it up. But before we do that, here's the USB-C port. It's really good that it's USB-C. I'm really happy that all these accessories are no longer micro USB for more compatibility. And we of course get the cable, which is great. So yeah, enough of me talking, now let's see it in action in the car. Okay, so we're now in the car and we're going to install the SODI MagSafe car mount. So to do so, as I said, first we will need these. These are of course the AC vents, and then we will need of course our SODI adapter. So to do it, you can take it off if you want, but I'll try to do it all together. So the first thing you need to do, as you can see, is extend this hook. To do so, just twist this counterclockwise until you have some length to work with. Then just stick it down here, as you can see, like just stick that inside, and you will see that if you put it a bit up, it will stack in there. Then just twist this again on the other direction until it is nice and secure. Then if you want, what you can do is twist this back here that we have and put it facing you, and that would be it. Now it is in a very convenient, like you cannot really see, but it's in a perfect spot for the driver to see exactly the phone. So the next thing we need, of course, is an iPhone with MagSafe, or this is also compatible with any other phone that has a MagSafe case on it. So then what you need to do is stick it in there, and it will be nice and secure. It really looks really secure, it's not going anywhere. That is it. But yeah, now in order to charge it, what you need to do is of course take the provided USB-A to USB-C cable. It's pretty long, it's like 1 meter long. so you won't have any problem with that. And you connect it down here, and then this goes to the electricity outlet in your car. In my case it is a little hidden, but you can see that now it's plugged in, and you can see this blinking light just saying that it has power. When you connect an iPhone to it, you're not really able to tell, but it's charging now, and the LED indicator is blue. If I disconnect the car, it is actually smart enough as to stop drawing power from here, which is nice if you don't want to drain your battery. But yeah, as you saw, this was the installation for the SODI MagSafe car mount. Really simple, doesn't have anything to it. And yeah, really flexible, really adjustable. As I said, it has these two positions, so one of them is to, of course, make it tight with the car, and this one is to just rotate it around and you can make it facing the way you want. But yeah, this can be a bit redundant if you have CarPlay, but of course many cars don't have CarPlay in themselves, and even if they do, maybe you're an Uber driver or whatever and they often have like 2 or 3 phones facing at them. This is a great option because you don't have to deal with like clamps and everything. I also happen to have this old one that I bought a long time ago here, and yeah, it's annoying because you have to do like this in order to adjust your phone. So it is really annoying. This one's so much better because you can just stick it in here and boom. But yeah, now we've seen it in action. Now let's go ahead and finish the video. So yeah, as you saw, this is the SODI C50 car mount for MagSafe. As you saw, this feels really nice and secure when the iPhone is plugged in, and it will charge it and everything, so it's a really good deal. However, I do recommend that of course you keep your eyes on the road. This is only on the side if you wanna quickly check the map or anything. Do not use this for anything illegal. And also I recommend that you take the iPhone off when you're leaving the car. It's all common sense, but I feel like I want to recommend it. Again, thank you very much to SODI for sponsoring this video. If you like what you saw, you can get yours in the link in the description, and you can use code SD10 for 10% off your order. But yeah, this was everything that I wanted to show you today. If you still have any questions about this, please let me know down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. If you like this video, please give it a like to let YouTube know, and if you really loved it and want to see more like this, consider subscribing because that's exactly what I post. But yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.